vitamins lack iodine. Only 28% of prescription prenatal vitamins presently contain iodine. The average iodine content of the iodine-containing prenatal vitamins was found to be below the RDA for iodine. And of the prenatal vitamins that do contain iodine, only 15% have more than 150 micrograms, which is the RDA for iodine per daily dose. I say it's a public health disaster that's unparalleled and ongoing, and nobody seems to want to stop it. Yet they want to push this healthcare trillion-dollar overhaul through when this would cost pennies compared to that. So, iodine, it's a fabulous substance for elevating pH. It's a great alkalinizing substance. The sicker somebody is, generally the more acidic they are. Taking iodine can elevate your pH. An elevated pH or normal pH helps you absorb minerals better, helps you absorb vitamins better, helps your metabolism better, helps you feel better, helps you with energy production. I check pHs on my patients all the time. Its deficiency causes intellectual deficiency, goiter, hypothyroidism, autoimmune thyroid illness, thyroid cancer, as well as other cancers. It's necessary for the production of all the thyroid hormones, T4, T3, T2, T1. The 4, 3, 2, and 1 refer to how many iodine molecules are on that thyroid globulin hormone. It's necessary for the production of all the hormones of the body, the adrenals, the ovaries, the testicles. All the hormones of the body need adequate amounts of iodine. And iodine is also responsible for the formation of the normal architecture of the glandular tissue. That includes the breast, the thyroid, the ovaries, probably the prostate.